today we are out in the Columbia River Gorge on the old highway in the Waterfall area. We decided to just go for a little drive, you know, spur of the moment adventure. So here we are. We're going to go to as many of the waterfalls that we can today. We don't have a whole lot of daytime hours left, and some of the road is still closed from the forest fires that we had last year. Right now we are at Lateral Falls. You can see it sort of in the distance behind me. Oh, there's Pete. Well, I'm standing on a bridge and it's terrifying because I'm afraid of heights. Oh, man. All right, so let's go hit the trail. Alright, so what you just saw was lower Lateral Falls. Whew, I'm a little winded. Now we are going to walk about 0.8 miles up to upper Lateral Falls. I have never seen the upper part of this falls before, so this is something new. Whew. We can do this. Are we there yet? Oh, I am so out of shape. Whew. It is so incredibly beautiful. Just stop and look around. Oh, so much green. I love it. Upper Lateral Falls. It's breathtaking and so worth the hike. I've never been up here before. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at that. So pretty. Francine is so stoked. Check out her Instagram. Next on our waterfall adventure is Shepherd's Dell. Unfortunately, the trail is closed, so we won't be able to hike down to it, but you can pretty much see it from right here. you can still see some of the trees with the burned marks from when we had that forest fire from the Eagle Creek fire. So sad. All right, now we are at Bridal Veil. It's a 2/3 mile hike round trip, and it's so beautiful. This is one of my favorite waterfalls in the area, besides obviously Multnomah Falls. I don't think we're going to get to Multnomah Falls today because the highway is still closed. But we've been to Multnomah Falls many times in the past, and we'll be there again in the future when they open it up again. Fingers crossed that hopefully that's soon, because I miss going on those trails.
In the wake of dawn, I see you shine. When I feel that heartbeat, I fly so much higher, fly so much higher, fly so much higher, fly so much higher, sky.
Bridal Veil is the last fall that you're able to see. They've got the road closed, so we can't go any further. So we can't go see Joaquina Falls, Multnomah Falls, Horsetail Falls, or any of the other falls. I can't even think of them all. So what did we do today? We did Lower Lateral Falls, Upper Lateral Falls, Shepherd's Dell, and Bridal Veil. So 4 falls in one day. That's pretty good. I'm going to check my fitness tracker real quick. 3.9 miles of hiking. That's pretty good for a Sunday that we didn't have anything planned. Very nice. Our next thing on the to-do today is lunch. We're starving. I guess it's more dinner now because it's almost 4 o'clock. We're going to Red Robin because, yes, yum, that sounds amazing. I'll end the vlog after we go to Red Robin.
Let's try that with a little bit. That's a...
That was delicious, but man, am I full. This is going to end today's adventure. We had a lot of fun. Had no idea when we woke up this morning what we were going to do. I'm really glad we did this. I always enjoy going to the waterfall area. Hope you guys liked our video today. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. I will see you guys in a few days. Have a great rest of your afternoon, evening, morning, whatever. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Sky.